Oh, you are welcome.
ADC. ADC. There's a protocol to this, and Yakamata Dikamumusani. And let's say ADC zache arise. ADC arise. Na uku say ache arise and shine Nigeria. Amatunda muna AMAC zache arise and shine me. AMAC. Amfahimta? Kumfahimta? ADC. ADC. AD&C. Thank you now. I shall say, if you don't understand Hausa, you understand Pidgin English. You know, say this Pidgin English, now we create them and the sweet pass English way then take give us. My name is Dr. Mo. I get PhD for environmental resource planning, but I be Naija person. I go primary school for this FCT. For primary school, I may be head boy. Secondary school, I be head boy. For university, I was one of the best people. When I don't go clap, if you don't be head boy, better clap. Oh. If not, I go call you out here today. But here we are in Wasa. AMAC is a very important place. Now this place, I want to tell me, where is the president of Nigeria? Where is the National Assembly? All the diaspora embassies, where then they? Now true said and they AMAC? Anybody who don't pass a particular threshold, socially, spiritually, economically, physically, has something to do with AMAC. Now AMAC now be the image of Nigeria. Now AMAC now be the most significant place. You see this camp big why they speak. Now because we did for AMAC. So if you did for AMAC, clap for yourself everywhere you did. Because where you did in a very important place. And today I did very happy because you know say my boldness don't increase. I don't know whether somebody notice them. Because when you carry power for your back, anybody do anyhow? If you do anyhow, I hear say some people say they don't write the result for AMAC. Nobody can write the result for AMAC. Then go bring money, can't give una. Una go collect the money. Una collect if I won't collect. Una go collect them, but we go do the right thing because now money where then they steal. Look at Wasa. I don't come Wasa, Burum. Don't come everywhere. Daddy, children they sit down for ground for AMAC. Tomorrow I they carry 50 decks go Kapua for Lugbe. 40 years after I do primary school here, children they sit down for ground. 2-3 years ago I they fix healthcare centers. If you go to Madaki, the only healthcare center where they there, only one nurse they take care of over 100 pregnant women. Aisha Madaki. I put her on stipends for a month. They didn't too much, so I can't leave them. When I understand what they talk, Abi. That is how bad the people who don't select, people who don't get certificates, people who don't know anything, people who don't even understand the narrative of my conversation. How can you lead the most important local council when you did not even go to school? The current chairman no get certificate. You don't go school. This will not be matter of alleged. I won't make you come carry me go court. You no get primary school certificate. Now me talk am. And the boldness why they take talk. Now be say, my papa follow me come here. Oh, now jealousy they worry now. Now hold on club. What can't think be this now? Now my papa be this, so I no get another one. Now my papa be this, so. Now my papa be this, so I no get another one. So I take singing because now me go introduce my papa by myself. You see the strength. If we not like more no club, that one lossy. But what's up, people? You are so lucky today because you know they're easy. We see it happen in other countries. Where, for example, during the New York Times, you have presidential candidates aspirant coming to canvass because of the importance of AMAC. That is why H.E. Alhaji Atiku Abubakar is here to carry me for back. What's up, una dey here? Una dey here? Una dey here? ADC! 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 Inshallah, next week, Saturday, there will be a new AMAC. A new AMAC that cares for everybody. A new AMAC for the Fulani man. A new AMAC for Igbo people. A new AMAC for Hausa people. A new AMAC for Nupe people. A new AMAC for Birom, for Gwari, for Igala, for Idoma. A new AMAC that take into inclusivity for women, for children, for the disabled, for everybody. Because AMAC is the center of gravity. The change we are asking for in Nigeria is an illusion if AMAC does not change. The president na indigene, the minister na indigene, because AMAC is not Gwagwalada, AMAC is not Buhari, AMAC is not Kuje, AMAC is not Sokoto, is not Lagos, is not Enugu. AMAC is the center of gravity. So the best of us must lead the rest of us. Kuma abundesa wannan jam'iyyar ADC. Before I sit down, let me tell you why it is the most important thing. Mama, Papa, and Pekin is not our problem in Nigeria. Do we not have Mama here? Do we not have Papa here? How is that one problem now? We get them plenty. Wallahi tallahi akwai ririn ruwa da zuma da zafi wanda zai zo in ka ɗauki lema da kai da leman wallahi sai ya zubar da ku ko baka ba? If you carry umbrella, you get the carry and we go fall. Plus you and the umbrella now away with you. AMAC is so dirty, there is no broom that can sweep AMAC. The problem of Nigeria is lack of inclusion. The problem of Nigeria is lack of respect. That is why ADC is a divine mandate. When you have respect for anybody, Sadiq is a Muslim, I am a Christian, but shake hands together. This is mutual respect. This is ADC. Shake somebody by your side and say, ADC. Kapama wani ADC. Wherever you are, shake somebody. If you are not shaking somebody, you are a suspect. Give somebody ADC. This is the only party that can campaign on election day. Because I will come and I will look at Maji and I will say, how far? Nobody can stop us from campaigning. Yes, I steal this one. Nobody can stop us. Because on a serious note, make I shake my father. Hey, fire. Fire. That you never see this one coming, oh. This is ADC. Respect for religion. Respect for elders. Respect for tribe. Because at the end of the day, when we build roads, rural roads will be built. Primary healthcare centers will be revamped. Healthcare centers, primary schools, waste management, all these issues I'm listing are within the constitutionality of the local government. This is the most important local. This election is even more important than the presidential election because health is local, education is local, rural roads are what? Local. This is why come next week Saturday, Wasa, AMAC must come out to elect a new leadership that will take us to the new frontiers of where we're supposed to go. My name is Dr. Moses Paul, and I am the next AMAC chairman. God bless you.